We are in this business for the more than 43 years. We are consistently supplying quality feed to our farmers. We are consistently supporting them in getting better performances in their poultry. The poultry is very huge business. Most of the people are not aware of the volumes and the money involved in the poultry sector. We are doing better than our competitors because we are consistently maintaining the quality and upgrading ourselves with our research and development. We have different staff for our R&D. We consistently check our quality with a different formulation, with economical formulations for better growth of the bird. When we get the better formulation, we can help the farmers to reduce the cost of production for the per kg of body weight. In layers also, we are giving better quality so that the layer birds can achieve better body weight in a short period, and they can give a number of eggs as mentioned by the manuals. The farmers who are supporting us for a long time are with us, and they consistently use our feed, and they are not being attracted by the better attractions given by the competitors. We have a dealer network throughout the state and in the neighboring state of Maharashtra. For the poultry farmers who have already using the feeds, I suggest them to use the poultry crumbs for the first few weeks in the broilers, at least for first 20 days. It's always advisable to use poultry crumbs. Then if you have the availability of the maize, you can go for the concentrations. Otherwise, you can go with the poultry pellets for getting the better FCRs. It's always better to get body weights in the faster way than the slow way, so that you can reduce your cost of production in spite of the mortalities. Whereas for the layer farmers, it's always better to use for the first 8 weeks you can use the poultry crumbs. Then you can go to your own feed, or depending on the availability of the raw material, you can think about using the commercial feed or own feeds. For the poultry farmers, it's always better if you can take the biosecurity so that you can avoid maximum diseases. If you allow all the people or the vehicles from outside into your farms, it's a risk of having different type of diseases coming into your farms. You should also take care of the feed vehicles which are coming into your farm. It's always better you keep your godowns away from the poultry farms so that you can maintain the biosecurity. Then this disease problem can be solved. For the farmers who are manufacturing their own feed, I always advise them to use commercial feeds at least in initial stages. The commercial feed manufacturer check the quality of the raw material in their own labs. The various aspects in checking the qualities in the labs like protein, moisture or sand, silica or amino acid profiles. Now the company is also checking the amino acids in the raw materials and the feeds. If you are using your own feed, you may not be having the facilities of the lab. That itself shows that you cannot use correct proportions of the better nutrition profile. Whereas now the commercial feed manufacturer also having the automatic feed weighing, and so that they can reduce the errors of human beings. If you are manufacturing your own feed, it's always possible there might be some human errors in weighing the essential items like vitamins or amino acids. It may not be expensive to buy the commercial feed because the commercial feed manufacturers buy at the better rates than the farmers because of their volumes.